Hey, what is up YouTube? It's your boy, Minimal Beast, and today, sorry if my voice sounds really weird. I don't know why, but today we are going to be unboxing the Huhu 2x2x2 stickerless BQ with a cube stand. So right there says it right there. Sorry if you can't focus. Right there. You can't really focus, but it says new also, and on this side it says Huhu, made in China. Alright, so we're just gonna unbox this thing right now. So let's do this. Here's the box. Let's open it. Really excited about this for, I believe, $5. And right off the bat, you get the instruction manual. This sometimes helps you how to solve your Rubik's Cube. So there are the moves right there. So if you don't know the moves, I know some of them, not all of them. So I'm kind of a beginner. And we get the stand. It was attached to the cube. We get the Huhu stand. It's really bigger than my 3x3. Let me go get my 3x3. I got it. I got this stand from Walmart. $7. Unbelievable. 3x3. Here's the Rubik's Cube stand compared to the 2x2. Much smaller. But yeah. If I didn't mention it was my stickerless cube, I probably did. Let me get my 3x3. So here's my 3x3. Mix it up. So I gotta I know this is easy, but I don't really like to use it because I already got my 2x2. So this is not a 3x3 review. So let's get that out of here, and this was just a comparison. And I might get this back to compare it. Alright, so here's the stand once again, Huhu. And this comparison one more time, and I'm getting under the cube. Much smaller, you see? See that? Really small. Alright. Let's stop getting off topic and just get to the stickerless speed cube. So let's get this test spin. This cube is pretty good. Leave it to it. It will really help. Let me see the corner cutting of this. Alright. Okay, let's go. Okay, it won't work. Alright, so the corner cutting isn't that good, but a 90-degree should work. So I'm not sure if it's gonna really work. The corner cutting, yep, it doesn't work. So corner cutting kind of bad, really bad. But when it's going up, which we don't really do up, it's pretty good when you do it up. See? Alright, so one more test. Pretty good. So not getting that off topic anymore, but it fits. It fits on here. See? Alright, so the comparison time. Here's the 3x3, and here's the 2x2. Maybe the 3x3 is twice the size of the 2x2. So if it's not stickerless, it's not. If it's stickerless, for me, my opinion, it's pretty good. Not spectacular, but pretty good. So yeah. Alright, so let's do a cube test. Let's see if I can solve. Alright, so I got the cube all mixed up. See that? Alright, so let's see, get 3, 2, 1. There we go. I did the suspension time at first, I did 5 seconds. So another one. Now I'm gonna do suspension time on camera. Alright. 5 seconds has passed. So let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Not really quick, but I solved it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do some more Rubik's Cube reviews, just tell me. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. The content is right here. The stand, the cube. Oops, fail. Epic fail. Alright, so the cube and the checklist. Not the checklist, the instructions. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace!